Hello students, welcome to the EVS1 session. Now you all open your textbook to page number 23. Today we are going to study the last part of the lesson, Water Safe for Drinking. Let's learn a new term, that is potable water. But what is this potable water? Potable water means water which is safe for drinking. Water that does not endanger our health in any way. When we drink it is called safe drinking water or potable water. Children, you know it very well that whatever water is available on the earth, all the water is not good for your health. Only some of the percent of the water is good for your health. We have seen some methods of making muddy water clean and transparent, isn't it, student? However, such water may still not be potable, means still if we have done all the methods what we have learned in the previous session, even if we do all that procedure, but still that water is not at all good for your health. Drinking water must be safe for our health. Pure water has no taste, no smell and even no color. If water has a color or a foul smell, that is a bad smell, one must avoid drinking it. It can make us ill. When we get muddy water during the rains, we allow it to settle before using it. If necessary, we use alum or we filter the water. Its muddiness disappears, that is, it goes, and the water looks clean and transparent. But can we say that it is now safe for drinking? Is it so, children? Let us see. For this, let us learn some more about this. Today, we are going to learn one more new term. Here on the screen, you can see the term, that is microorganism. Micro means very, very small and organism means a living thing. So combinedly you can say very small living thing means microorganism. Dear children, microorganism means a living thing that cannot be seen by the naked eye or even with a magnifying glass. Naked eye means with your eyes you cannot see because they are so tiny, they are so small. You cannot see them with your eyes or even with a magnifying glass. Now let us see what is a magnifying glass. Dear children, here you can see your favorite cartoon, the Pikachu. He is having some instrument in his hand. What is that instrument? It is a magnifying glass. Through this glass, you can see very small things also, that too very big. When you look from this glass, you can observe that even the small little things, they appear very big in size. Children, I hope you all have seen a microscope somewhere. An instrument for looking at very small things which we cannot see with our eyes or even through a magnifying glass is called a microscope. Here in the picture you can see the lady, she is looking through the microscope. Children, let us learn something new today. If we take a bit of yogurt or a drop of buttermilk, that is dahi, on a glass slide and place the slide under a microscope, we see very tiny living things in it. Here in the picture you can see the girl is observing it. They are called microorganisms. These microorganisms convert milk into yogurt. They are useful for us. But children, you will be surprised to know this. All microorganisms are not useful. Some microorganisms cause diseases when they enter your body. They are said to be harmful microorganisms. This means there are two types of microorganisms. One is good for you, the other one is not at all good for your health. There are numerous kinds of microorganisms around us. They are in the soil, in water, in air, on rocks. They can be on your books, on your compass box, anywhere. They can be anywhere and everywhere. So it is said, children, that before you have your meals, you should always wash your hands, because if there are harmful microorganisms somewhere and if you touch that part and if you don't wash your hands and you eat that food is going to go along with the harmful microorganisms in your body, and then you will fall ill. So it is said you should always wash your hands before you have your meals. Even if harmful microorganisms are present in water, we are not able to see them. Now, even though the water with such microorganisms looks transparent, would it be safe for drinking? Can you drink such water? Will it be safe for you? No, not at all. You may know that during the rainy season, we often hear of an outbreak of an diarrhea or gastrics, that is, names of some diseases. At such times, we need to boil the water that has been cleaned by settling and filtration. Only then does it become safe for drinking. So children, always boiling the water kills the microorganisms in it and prevents diseases. So you should always boil the water and drink it. I hope the lesson is understood. Thank you.